At Rocelna Valley, we bring together Africa's finest tropical fruits to create one thing: natural, nutrient-rich snacks your customers will remember. We're a business-to-business supplier focused on clean label, bulk tropical dried fruits, delivered fresh, packed with flavor, and ready for U.S. distribution. From hand-picked mangoes and pineapples to bananas and papayas, every piece of fruit is harvested at peak ripeness and gently dried to preserve taste, texture, and shelf life. There are no shortcuts, just real ingredients prepared at the source. Our tropical snack line is built for business-to-business buyers. Whether you're repacking for retail, blending into snack mixes, or building a new product line, Rocelna Valley delivers fruit snacks you can trust every time in every shipment. We source directly from farming communities across Africa, creating sustainable impact while giving you full traceability and peace of mind. Because when it comes to supply chains, where your product comes from matters. Rocelna Valley's tropical dried fruits are clean, simple, and ready to serve the U.S. market. They're made for businesses that demand more from every bite. This is how we bring Africa's harvest to America, one fruit at a time.